Speak sponsored by rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. rxcardclub.com. What happens to your body when you eat beans regularly? Beans are a good source of protein and nutrients that can help manage cholesterol, blood pressure, and blood sugar. Cooking beans from scratch allows you to control the flavor, texture, and sodium, but canned/boxed options can also be convenient. Beans may not be suitable for those with gastrointestinal conditions due to potential digestive discomfort. Eating beans regularly can provide the following health benefits: lower cholesterol levels, increased iron intake, lower blood pressure, higher folate levels, lower risk of type 2 diabetes, boosted immune health, improved gut and bowel health, increased feelings of fullness and better blood sugar control. Beans are a valuable plant-based protein source, especially for those who do not eat meat. Common bean varieties include pinto, navy, great northern, red kidney, and black beans. rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 80% on prescription drugs. Less than /speak.